How to join WhatsApp group. So if you want to join a WhatsApp group, then first of all you need to open up your WhatsApp application. Now let me tell you one thing, you can't simply join whichever group you like. So to join a group, what you need to do is you need to get a link, or you need someone to add you to the group, or you can also join with a link. So you need to ask the admin to send you the link, and after getting the link, for example, I have that link here, right? So after getting a WhatsApp group link, you can simply tap on that link, and here it says that join group on the bottom of your screen. So if you want to join a group, then simply tap on that join group, and now go for view group, and here you have joined the group. So that's how you join a WhatsApp group. You need to get a link, or you need to be invited by someone to join the group. Without that, you can't join a WhatsApp group. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.